Hey guys, welcome to Car City Inc. And look at this another edition, beautiful 2014 Cadillac CTS 2-liter turbo, all-wheel drive, 81,000 miles, beautiful luxury full-size sedan, very low miles, very nice color combination. This is a beautiful, like a pearl gray, pearl black color, which, you know, look amazing. Has very nice and beautiful look. Look at those headlights. Nice rims, newer tires. Looks like brakes just have been replaced. It's a brand new brakes, been inspected, detailed, and ready to go. Power windows, power locks, memory seats, and this one has got a luxury package, nice sport seats, panoramic sunroof. Everything again in good condition, just came from the detail. No funny smells. Again, this got navigation, backup camera, climate control, heated seats, low miles. Fully loaded. It's got a pre-collision system, got Bluetooth, heated steering wheel. You name all those features, they are here. Nice and clean seats too. Again, very well kept. And this one is all-wheel drive, so it's nice to have it winter time. 2-liter turbo engine, fresh oil change for all our cars. It's hard to open it with one hand, but I'll do my best. Here we go. No rust. Gas saver. I mean, beautiful and clean vehicle. For sale at Car City Inc. So if you guys looking for a used car, please stop by at Car City. We're located in Palatine, 2232 North Rand Road. Our phone number is 847-496-4250. Any questions, you know, just call us, don't be shy. And if you guys want to finance, we can help you as well. If you need extended warranties, we do it here. If you need any service in your car, we do it here. So it's pretty much one stop to you guys. Stop by and you're gonna be a happy customer, and we work together for a long time. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.